Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. So today I'm back with another interview question. So the question is we have to write a query to select projects with the highest budget per employee ratio from two tables, okay? The tables are projects and employees. So as you can see the employee table we have details of employee and their project IDs in which projects they are aligned. And this is the project table, the name of the project and the total budget of the project. As you can see in the project ID 1 there are two employees aligned, employee ID 1 and employee ID 2. So the total budget is 1 lakh. So the question is we have to select projects with the highest budget per employee ratio. Okay. So we have to divide the budget, total budget in the number of employees. Okay. So that we can extract the cost of per employee and into per budget. Okay. So this, if you talk about the project alpha, so the project cost for employee is 50,000 as there are only two employees in this project. And in the project 3, which is 1,50,000 and there are 3 employees in this project, so that means that cost of per employee of this project is 50,000. Okay, so this is the highest cost because the project beta 50,000 aligns 2 employee in this project and the total cost of per employee is 25,000, so that is low. So the project alpha and the project gamma would be the output. Okay, so let's write the query for this. Okay, so first of all we will select the columns. Okay, so we'll join the table employees, join projects. Okay, P and E. Okay, so what columns we want project ID and let's P dot project ID and P dot budget of the project. All right, so these are the two columns we have, and what we're going to do here, we'll use the count so that we can get to know at how many employees into the per project. Okay, group by all right, so there are 2 employees in project 1, 2 employees in project 2 and 3 employees in the project 3. Okay, so as let's rename this column as number of employees. All right, so this is our output. Okay, so as we have data, there are how many employees aligned in single project. Okay, so now what we can do here is to find the cost of one employee in a one project. So what we can do here is we can divide this to this. Okay, we can make this a numerator and this as denominator so that we can divide this amount into the number of people. Okay, so let's create this CTE. All right, select from CTE and CTE dot project ID, CTE dot budget and CTE dot number of employee. And now let's create a arithmetic operations for this, and the budget divided by number of employees. Okay, as cost of per employee. All right, so as you can see the project cost is 50,000 for project 1 and project cost is 50,000 for project 3 and the project cost is 25,000 for project 2. Okay, so let's create a where condition here, where cost of per employee equals to, let's put this select from CTE. Okay. Max and cost of, let's create another CTE for this, CTE as all right, so select strict from CTE to where cost of per employee equals to select from CTE to max cost of per employee. All right, and oops, where let's click from CTE to where cost of per employee equals to max. Oh, sorry. So these are the cost of per employee project. So now let's do one thing. Project ID CTE2 dot project ID and CTE2 budget and CTE2 number of employees. Okay, and the last one thing, we can create this as a integer. Okay, cast as int. Okay, so now that's the output we wanted. Okay, so that's how you can generate this output, and the budget per employee is in front of you, and these are the highest budget per employee. These are the projects. Okay, and that's how you can generate this output. All right, guys, so thank you so much for your time, and we can per cost of per employee. All right, guys, thank you so much for your time, and if you have learned something, so please hit the like button. And if you have a better solution than this, I know there are multiple solutions, so we can use case statements as well, and we can put conditions into the case statements, and so that's it. And if you have better solution than this, please write this and into the description box, and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much, guys.